So in Eurocast, we offer both. So we have online classes as well as offline classes. So if you are a nurse working in different country or if different cities, you can take an online course, or if you want to take up an offline course, we have offline courses in Coimbatore, located in Tamil Nadu, and then we also have courses in Chennai, located in Tamil Nadu, and then we have Pondicherry as well. You can also take courses in these 3 locations, offline classes. But if you're from other cities, do not mind, you can take online courses, or you can move to this city and do our intensive offline batches. This is another very important question. At Eurocast, we not only teach German language, but we also help you to migrate to Germany, such as finding a job, doing your visa process, helping you with this whole navigation of moving from your city to Germany. Everything will be taken care by Eurocast. We are also located in India. We are also located in Germany. So pre-arrival and post-arrival support will be provided by Eurocast end to end. All you have to do is just register with Eurocast, learn your German language course, and leave the rest to us. So many nurses have written to us, DM'd us in Instagram asking what is Anerkennung or what does it mean. So let me tell you, Anerkennung is basically a recognition process. So you all are registered or recognized nurse in India. You have a nursing registration from the medical council of your state, which says that you are a recognized and a registered nurse, and you are allowed to practice nursing in that particular state or in India. Similar to that, you should also have a recognition to work in Germany as a nurse, because you are graduated from India. You are not a graduate from Germany. So you need to send all your documentation, such as your 10th, 12th mark sheet, birth certificate, passport copy, your registration, your transcript, your degree certificate, your work experience. You should send all these documents to Germany, or you send it to Eurocast. We translate it into German language and we send it to the particular authorities in Germany, and then they will do the deficiency check. So basically what they will do is they will take the local BSc degree and then your degree, they will compare it and see if you have studied enough number of hours in all the particular subjects, and then at the end of this process they will offer you something called deficit bescheid or a deficit notice. It will clearly say how many hours you are missing, how many hours you still need to do in this particular department. With that, you can already travel to Germany and then start working as a nurse. At the same time, you have to fulfill this recognition, and 2 main conditions to fulfill the recognition is you need to complete B2, and also you need to pass a Kenntnisprüfung, that is a knowledge test, or Anpassungslehrgang, or the adaptation course. Either one of this has to be done. If you can choose adaptation course, then you do a practical training of around 10 to 12 months of time, or if you choose a knowledge test, which is a Kenntnisprüfung, which is a oral examinations. They will ask you questions about, they will give you a patient and they will ask you some questions about a diagnosis, and then how you can, treat them about. This is a very basic 15-minute session. I'm sure that many of our nurses have cracked it. You can see it on our Instagram page already. So these are the 2 things you need to do. And once you pass your B2 and also you have your Kenntnisprüfung certificate, then you give both this to the authorities, and then they will give you something called Urkunde. So basically it means that now you are a registered nurse in Germany. So I hope this Anerkennung process is very clear for you, and believe me, every single nurse who have gone to Germany through Eurocast, they have successfully passed the recognition, and now they are working as a registered nurse in Germany. So this process is not complicated at all. It is that simple, and we will support you on that. So this is another common misconception, that it's a lot of taxes in Germany. So in fact, I made a very detailed video. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and watch it. We have clearly explained how much salary you will get, and how much taxes you will be taken from that, and how much expenses you need to have per month, and then how much you can even save and send it back to your family. So entire breakup is being given there. So just go and watch that video. The link is given in the description. So in Germany, the working environment is very good, and it is very well optimized. So you will only work around 38 to 40 hours per week, and then most of the time you get 1 to 2 days off every single week, and you will not work more than 40 hours. And if you work more than 40 hours, you will be compensated fairly for every single hour you are working. So that is what most of our nurses, they like about working in Germany. It's not only just money, it's about the free time, it's about the respect which they get, and it's about the culture which they get in Germany. This is what makes them to choose Germany as one of the top destinations to work as a nurse. So this is a very important question. So every nurses, especially who are just married or having a kid, they have this question: can I take my family with you? Yes, it is absolutely possible to take your family with you, along with your husband, wife, or children. You can take them, but not immediately when you go to Germany, but after you finish your recognition. So that is around 6 to 8 months of time after you come to Germany, you complete this whole recognition, then you can invite your family and they can come and live with you as long as you are living there. Not only your husband or wife or children, also your parents can come to Germany and live with you as long as you are living there. So yes, we understand that there is going to be a short gap between you and your family before you go, but at the end of the day, it's definitely worth it. So this is one of the top asked questions in Eurocast Instagram channel. Many of you think that Eurocast is only recruiting nurses to Germany, which is not true. Yes, we do recruit a significant amount of nurses to Germany, but at the same time, we also guide other professions as well, such as physiotherapists, pharmacists, doctors, dentists, anesthesia technician, medical laboratory technicians, or if you're a high school finished student and you wanted to go to Germany and become a nurse, we offer Ausbildung in nursing, Ausbildung in Bäckerei, Ausbildung in hotel management, hospitality industry, cooks, chefs, electrician, technicians, plumbers, mechanic, truck drivers. So we actually hire more than 15 professions in Germany, not only nursing. So many people say learning German is difficult. It is true. So this is also a very commonly asked question, that many people think that learning German is impossible or it's tough. So let me break it to you. We at Eurocast have successfully taught German language to more than 1,000 professionals like you, a nurse, doctors, dentists, engineers, everybody. Right from the age of 21 to up to the age of 40, we have taught German language. So with that experience, I can tell you that if you have a right teacher and the right approach to the German language, it is definitely possible to learn German language in the next 8 to 10 months of time and speak the language and understand the language. So it is definitely doable, but of course, you need to put in a lot of effort because it's a new language, it's a new alphabet, it's completely different from Tamil or Telugu or Malayalam or Hindi. It's totally different. Right, but of course we do have some similarities. But if you know English and if you can speak one regional language, I don't think it is impossible for you to learn German language. It is possible. So that's why Eurocast comes in. We give you the right methodology, we give you the right strategy to understand the language. So just join the language course in Eurocast. You will already see the difference in you. So this is another question people keep writing us. So let me tell you, we are located in Berlin, Germany. That is our headquarters where I'm located, my team is located. And then our Indian branch, we have 4 branches in India. One in Tamil Nadu, that is Coimbatore. And then number 2 in Pondicherry, number 3 in Chennai, and number 4 in Kerala. So these are all the addresses I put it down here. So if you wanted to come to Germany and if you wanted to take a counseling session, please feel free to visit these locations and take up a personalized counseling session. We are happy to serve you. So with that, we come to the end of the first Q&A session. Don't worry if your question is not answered. I will be doing a second part of this Q&A where I will be taking more and more questions. So if you have more questions about going to Germany, please drop in the comments and I will personally read everything and I will make a next video soon. See you all soon in Germany.